EasyJet Holidays Hotels and Tours Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get budget travel packages wrong. They assume low cost means low quality. The surprising truth about EasyJet Holidays is how it combines affordable flights, curated hotels, and customizable tours, and you won't believe how seamless booking and planning can be. Here's how it works. EasyJet Holidays allows travelers to book flights, hotels, and experiences together, with options to tailor packages based on budget, dates, and destination preferences. For example, a family traveling to Spain can book round-trip flights, a 4-star hotel, and sightseeing tours in one transaction, often saving money compared to booking separately. Most people get this wrong. They assume budget holidays lack flexibility, but EasyJet lets you adjust dates, upgrade hotels, or add extras easily. Additional features include price protection, customer support for changes, and a simple online dashboard to manage bookings. Users praise the convenience of bundling travel services and the reliability of their flight schedules. However, there are considerations. Some destinations may have limited hotel or tour options during peak seasons. Most people assume bundled holidays remove personalization. It's customizable if you plan ahead. In conclusion, EasyJet Holidays is ideal for travelers seeking affordable, well-organized trips with flexibility in hotels and tours. It's efficient, cost-effective, and easy to manage in one place. Subscribe for more honest travel service reviews before you book your next trip.